about the names of 11 favorite kind of fruit juices. Pomegranate juice, pomegranate juice. Orange juice, orange juice. Apple juice, apple juice. Strawberry juice, strawberry juice. Grape juice, grape juice. Mango juice, mango juice. Dragon fruit juice, dragon fruit juice. Lemon or lime juice, lemon or lime juice. Kiwi juice, kiwi juice. Melon juice, melon juice. And lastly, tomato juice, tomato juice. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different kinds of fruit juices. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.